So the question is sketch the slope field. The slope is given as xy. Now, how to sketch the slope field? Okay, let's start with all the x-axis and y-axis. So at the origin, the coordinates are 0, 0. So we plug in 0, 0 here. 0 times 0, I will get 0. The slope is 0. That means it would be a horizontal line. It's a horizontal line here. Now, moving ahead, the coordinate of this one is 1, comma 0. So 1, comma 0, again, if I plug in 1 and 0, I will get the slope as 0 again. So the slope here is also straight line. All are slope because one of the x or y is 0. Same with the vertical axis. Here the coordinate of this point is 0, comma 1. So plug in 0 and 1 here. So again, I will get 0. So 0 slope is basically horizontal line. Now, let's consider this point here. The coordinates is 1, comma 1. So when I plug in 1, 1, 1 times 1, which is 1. So slope would be 1. So we know 1 is 45 degree. Right. Okay. The next one is 1, comma 2. So when I plug in 1, comma slope is 2. Slightly it will be higher like this. Again, this is 2, comma 1. So it's 2. And here the slope is 4. So it will be slightly higher than this. Angle will be slightly higher. Same way here, negative 1 and 1. So slope will be negative 1 because when negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. So slope would be like this. This is negative 2. So, and in here, both are negative. X and Y both are negative. So the coordinate of this point would be negative 1, comma negative 1. So when I plug in negative 1 times negative 1, I will get 1. So in the first and the third quadrant, all the slope would be positive like this. Okay. Though their magnitudes are slightly changed because here the magnitude would be 2, here the magnitude would be 1, but that doesn't gonna make much impact like in the shape. Now here in the fourth quadrant, we see x is positive, y is negative. So when you multiply, you'll get negative slope. So here also we'll get negative slope like this. So this is how the slope field looks like.